It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
So here are some of my pretty finds that I ended up finding at TJ Maxx. I do have a couple that I actually got a few weeks ago, but I wanted to include it in today's haul since they are also from TJ Maxx and they are Valentines. I also have a couple items from Amazon, Sephora, and Labubu, so we'll get to those afterwards. But let me show you first what I found at TJ Maxx. I'm so excited with this gorgeous blanket. It's from Cupcakes and Cashmere, and I just love the beautiful details on this blanket, like the bows. It's so coquette. This one here I actually got a couple weeks ago, and I just wanted to show it to you because it's still available at TJ Maxx. I went to the store today and it was still there, so in case you're looking for a pretty sign, definitely check it out. And it has little pearls. I also got this beautiful trinket tray, and it's in that gorgeous shade of pink. I just love how pretty this is. I think I'm going to use this in my vanity to put my like body sprays or perfume, but I thought this was really pretty, and I believe this was $12.99, so not bad. Check out this beautiful vase. Look how stunning this is. This was only $9.99 and it's just perfect for flowers. I also found this beautiful towel with bows, and this one was $9.99. So this little mug right here I ended up getting a couple weeks ago with the love sign, but I wanted to share it with you because it's just so pretty, and I am loving this coffee mug so much. I haven't actually used it, but have to use it soon. It's adorable. I was also super lucky and I found these viral candle holders. So pretty. I got 2 of these. I believe these were like $10 each. My bow pillow, in case you're wondering, I actually got that from HomeSense a few weeks ago, but I've seen them at Amazon, so I'll link it down below. Next up is this adorable pillow. Look how beautiful this is. It's so different. It's like so unique, and it's so pretty. So I ended up getting this beautiful mirror, and the girl that packaged it didn't wrap it. I don't know why. Normally they wrap it with like paper and tissue and all that, but she just threw it in the bag with other items. So when I got home, I noticed it was all shattered. Like, I'm so sad. I'm definitely gonna go back and hopefully there's another one, but this was so beautiful. It was so perfect. It was supposed to be a bow, but now it's all shattered. And over here I have a new MacBook case that I actually got from Amazon, and look how beautiful the color is. It's that perfect shade of baby pink. It's beautiful, and it came with the case, and it also came with the keyboard thing right there. It's just so pretty. I had to get it. Also from Amazon, I ended up getting this beautiful case. It's like a sleeve case, and it's just so beautiful. It's so padded. It almost reminds me of like a pillow, like a soft pillow, and it's so soft. It's waterproof, and this has like a magnetic closure. Like, this is incredible. And check out the inside. It is soft pink, and it's so soft, like incredibly soft. This has got to be the bestest computer case I've ever had, and look at the color. It's perfect. It did come in like 4 different colors, but of course I had to get the pink. I'll link it down below, and I highly recommend it. So this one here is for the size 14 MacBook Pro. It also fits the size 13, and then they have a bigger size, which is a 15 and 16 inch if you have the bigger size computer. But definitely check it out. This is incredible. Like, I'm obsessed with this, and you can just easily throw that in your purse. I got these in the mail today. I am so excited. I got the little Labubu dolls. I got 2. I got the one that's called Have a Seat, and it's in this light shade of pink. And if you're not familiar with these, they are super popular right now. You can actually dress them up in like designer clothes and shoes and hats and all that. So I did order a bunch of clothes for them. I'll have to do a separate video. They're like ugly but cute at the same time, which is crazy. But I really like them. I think they're so adorable. And then I also got this one. This one is the Exciting Macaroon. So beautiful, and I am obsessed. They're so soft, like super soft. And they come with this like little tag in here. You scan it and it verifies the authenticity, because they're so popular, and they're just keychains, so they're so cute. These are the boxes right here that they came in, but I thought it was like such a cute little keychain. And last but not least, I got myself the Kayali, I think that's how you say it, Kayali or Kaylee perfume. This one is the Yum Bougie Marshmallow, and that's exactly what this smells like. It smells like fresh strawberries, pink marshmallow, creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and pink musk. It smells incredible, like so freaking good. And check out the bottle. It's so pretty. So I went back to the store to see if I could either return or exchange the broken mirror, and sadly they didn't have it. So then I ended up going to Marshall's just to see if by chance they had a similar one. Sadly, they did not, but I ended up finding other things. So here is part 2 of this Valentine's girly haul. So we're going to start off with this cute gadget that I actually found in the beauty section. It's an ice roller for face and body, and I'm really excited to try this out because I heard that if you do this, it depuffs your face and it helps with like your jawline. You can use it for the eyes, lips, forehead, and so much more. And I'm excited to try it out. And then look what I found for my kitchen. Like, how incredibly cute is this? This is only $6.99, and you can either put like olive oil or vinegar. Like, how cute. They are glass. It has a gold stand, which I'm in love. And look at the bows. Like, how cute. Anything that has bows, I need it in my life. And I love the fact that it's 2 shades of pink, and it's just so pretty. So I'm so excited with that. Of course, I had to get this beautiful cup because it has the cute bows and it's pink. Did I really need another cup? No, I don't think I did, but it's just so cute. Like, how could I say no to this? And this one was $5.99. I also found this beautiful pink tray. I had already bought in one, but it was white and it was like a square one. But when I saw this, I had to get this. This is beautiful. Like, look how pretty. It's a perfect shade of pink. I believe this was $16.99. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I got myself some slippers because they're pink and I needed them. I needed some slippers actually. But look how cute these are. They're Juicy Couture. And they are incredibly cute. Like, so soft. Really like these. I think these were like $12. But I'm excited because I actually did need these. I also got some sweaters. I got this really pretty one with stripes, and then look how cute it is. It actually has this kind of like
white shirt underneath it, just in here. So it's gonna look so pretty with like a skirt and some black boots. So I did pick that up. I also got another one. This one here's my favorite. It is so beautiful. Look how pretty this is. It's a sweater and it has this like scalloped neck. It has buttons and a cute little tie. Like, how pretty. This is like super soft blush pink. It's like so pretty. I'm like obsessed with this sweater. I think it's gorgeous. And the last thing I got is another sweater. And this one is just so beautiful. It is just so coquette, so girly. It's from Jessica Simpson. She has like really cute clothing. And look how pretty this is. It has little bows. So pretty. So these are all the cute finds that I got at Marshall's.
Kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing.